Did it? Oh my gosh. How exciting is it that you have achieved this milestone? I could not be more thrilled for you. I'm so sorry that I can't be at the session that's happening this week, but I didn't want to let this moment pass to congratulate you and really give you a nudge to really take in what you did. This is so huge. Do you know how many moving parts had to happen for this to all come together the way that it did? You all have to be extreme, passionate manifestors to have gotten to this milestone and to get to the next milestone. So I really hope, take a minute and absorb that. This is so huge what you've done, and I just couldn't be more thrilled that you have bringing this message out into the world. How cool is that? I wanted to also take an opportunity to say that if you want to take this to bestseller status, which I don't see any reason why you shouldn't you be a best-selling author? Why shouldn't you take this book to bestseller status? It's actually easier than you think. First of all, I have some training that I can provide that I've got in kind of the vault somewhere that I can send you that will help to get your systems in place for doing a launch like this and attaining bestseller status. And on top of that, I want to email my list and tell them, go buy this book on the day that you pick to do the launch, because they're prime for this. They're prime and you're the expert. I mean, really think about what being a best-selling author could do for your business. This project could take your business to the next level. And so I'm excited to support that, and I want to help, and I want you to really say those brain training sentences that bring it to the next level. Just really think those sentences to yourself. I'm a best-selling author. Think about saying that. I'm a best-selling author. And once you achieve that status, you get to say that forever. I'm a best-selling author. I'm a parenting expert. I'm a mindset expert. Your whole business can pivot on those 3 legs, and you can take it anywhere you want to from there. I'm ready for this. It's my time. I'm ready for this step. It's the next logical step in my business. I can feel that this has been brewing. I didn't even realize that I wanted this, and now the next thing I know, I'm stepping into it. It feels so good to allow this into my life. It feels so good to allow myself to step into the next version of me. I love the idea of bringing this message to the world. I love the idea of bringing this message to the world in a big way. I'm ready to speak about this. I'm ready to be a voice box for this message. And why shouldn't you be? Because you know what? Who better than you to be able to share what training your brain and your own modalities, all of you have your own special expertise to be able to take that out to the world in a bigger way. Just really, really exciting. And I'm so proud of you and so thrilled. And I just love how you parent in the world, and I love how you are in the world. And I feel privileged and honored to know you. And I'm excited to help you take this anywhere you want to take it. All right, go rock it now. You've got this. Yeah, baby.